Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging In channel. Today for this episode of Logging In, I will be showing you the process of how you can pin a tweet on Twitter. Now for that, first of all, you open the Twitter application, tap open the app. Once you are at the Twitter homepage or on the news feed, you need to go to the profile section. For that, tap on profile icon on the top left corner. Then there you tap on profile. Once you're inside your profile, you find a tweet that you want to pin it on your profile. So here I'm just gonna choose the first tweet that I have recently tweeted. So here tap on the three horizontal line just beside that, and this will give you the option of pin to profile. You tap on it. This will appear at the top of your profile and replace any previously pinned tweet. Are you sure? So here tap on pin. Now from now on, this tweet will be always on top of my profile as pinned tweet. This is how you can pin a tweet on Twitter. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging In channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.